Hello guys, welcome to this video. We are going to see 7 of the Chrome extensions that will help you in many different areas and help you to be productive. The first Chrome extension is ugly email. When you see your email application, you can see lots of emails pops up, and some of those are being tracked whether the person in case you click that email or not, or they will to track the emails whether you opened or not. But ugly email break that connection and the tracker to not to track your activities on your emails. The next Chrome extension is picture in picture. When you watch some videos on your laptop or desktop, you want to serve many websites as you want, but you can't leave that site. But you can use this Chrome extensions picture in picture to use the video in PIP mode, and you can serve for other websites, other applications also. The next Chrome extension is media hack. You may know that if you want to read on Medium, you have to pay something, but Medium hack, the Chrome extension can help you to remove that paywall, and you can read the premium Chrome extension, the premium articles on Medium. The next Chrome extension is work on a tab manager. You can see lots of tabs you use while you browse on your browser. You can use the Chrome extension to manage your tabs also. The next Chrome extension is Audioblocks. This extension will help you to convert the articles into a audio and send you as a podcast, and you can listen that article like a podcast also. This is a very useful thing. Like you can see on previous video, we share a Chrome extension that is read aloud. This is that help you to read on that site, and this Chrome extension Audioblog send you as a podcast, and you can listen whenever you want. And this has a very good AI audio speech technique that you can use. The next Chrome extension is Notion Boost. Notion Boost used on the Notion. This extensions will help you to create the outline of the article you wrote on the Notion, like this you can see on the picture. The next Chrome extension is the final one is Newsfeed Eradicator. When you browse Facebook or Twitter, you can see there is lots of news feeds pops up on the site. Use this Chrome extension Newsfeed Eradicator to eradicate the news feed of Twitter and Facebook, and you can see how this eradicate the Facebook and Twitter. This way you can be productive and not being distracted while using Twitter or Facebook. This is a very good and also recommended Chrome extension to use. Thanks for listening and watching this video. If you learn something, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.